Hello, it's Friday the 1st of October. My name is Vicky Redwood, Senior Economic Advisor here at Capital Economics, and this is your Week in Review. Inflation has again been a big theme of our week. As part of our CE Spotlight series, we published further reports looking at whether we are on the cusp of a new age of inflation. These reports included a look at the inflationary threat from US-China decoupling and a discussion of what an era of higher inflation would mean for markets. We also held a series of online events where the authors of the reports discussed their main findings and answered questions that you sent in. Please do look at the dedicated Spotlight page on our website to read the reports and watch the videos. Also on the inflation front, we revised up our Eurozone inflation forecasts in the face of the further rising gas prices. And in our Global Central Bank Watch, we discussed the hawkish shift amongst many of the world's central banks over recent weeks as inflation has continued to surprise on the upside, and what all that means for the policy outlook. It's not just rising consumer prices that are starting to worry central banks. Some are fretting about rising house prices. This week saw the Case-Shiller measure of US house price inflation reach close to some 20%, and house price inflation has been rapid in most other developed markets too. We published a report on our Global Economic Service looking at just how concerned we should be by this rise in house prices. Finally, there were some important political developments this week, and we discussed the implications of the German election result, the Japanese leadership election result, and whether a debt ceiling crisis can be avoided in the US. Thanks for listening and have a good weekend.